In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs in WordPress Elementor. Breadcrumbs are those small navigation links you often see at the top of a page, showing the path from your home page to the page you're currently on. They help visitors understand where they are on your site and make it easier to go back a level or two, which is great for both user experience and SEO. Let's start inside your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Plugins menu. Hover your mouse over it, then click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin library where you can install new tools for your site. At the top right, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and type Essential Add-ons. Press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, locate the plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Click on it to open the plugin's information page. On the top right area of that page, click the Install and Activate button. Give it a moment to install and activate. Once that's done, you'll be taken back to your list of installed plugins, and Essential Add-ons will now be ready to use. This means you'll have new widgets available the next time you open the Elementor editor. Now, open any page using Elementor. You can do this by going to your pages list, hovering over a page, and selecting Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor loads, look at the left panel where all your widgets are listed. Scroll through the widgets and look for the breadcrumbs widget that comes from Essential Add-ons. When you find it, drag and drop it into the section of the page where you want your breadcrumbs to appear, usually near the top of the content. With the breadcrumbs widget selected, you'll see its settings on the left. Under the Content tab, you can customize the label for your home link. You can also enable a prefix, which is a small element that appears before the breadcrumb trail. If you enable it, choose whether you want an icon or text, and then either pick an icon or type the text you want. For the separator between breadcrumb items, choose text if you want something simple like a slash or a dash, and type it in, or choose icon, and select an icon that matches your design. Next, switch to the Style tab. Here you can control the look and feel of your breadcrumbs, including the text style, colors, spacing, and the appearance of the separator and prefix. Take a bit of time to match these settings to your site's branding. Then move over to the Advanced tab. This is where you'll find more detailed options like layout, motion effects, transforms, background, borders, masks, responsive controls, custom attributes, and custom CSS. Use these if you want to fine-tune spacing, add animations, or adjust how the breadcrumbs display on different devices. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, go to the top right of the Elementor editor and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a new page. Once it's saved, preview your page on the front end to make sure the breadcrumbs appear correctly and fit smoothly into your design.